While staying in Jetavana monastery, Gautam Buddha was giving a discourse. Several hundred of his disciples were listening in silence. Buddha's closest associate, Anand, was keeping an eye on all disciples attending the discourse. Anand noticed that one of the disciples, Sukumar, was not paying attention. He kept looking at others, moving his limbs or straightening his robe. His actions were causing disturbance to other disciples. Anand continued to observe the movements of that man throughout the discourse. Sukumar did not carefully listen to Buddha for even a few minutes. Anand was deeply saddened by this incident. He felt sorry for Sukumar as he did not learn anything from Buddha's teachings that day. When everyone was gone, Anand went to Buddha. He said, "O Buddha, I have something to tell you." Sukumar seemed to be very restless today. He was not listening carefully to you. He kept moving all through your discourse. This caused disturbance to many other disciples. Buddha listened to the whole incident and gently smiled. Buddha said, "Anand, I have heard your complaint. I will certainly talk to Sukumar about this tomorrow. But let me ask you something now. Tell me, what were you doing throughout that time? Were you paying attention to me or to Sukumar? Did you listen carefully to what I was saying? Or you were only looking at what Sukumar was doing? Look at me. I did not pay attention to anyone when I was talking. My whole attention was on myself. Did you think about it before coming to me?" Anand was stunned. Buddha was right. He had missed the core of Buddha's teaching that day. His attention was not really focused on Buddha's teaching. Instead, he was paying attention to what Sukumar was doing. Anand realized his mistake and immediately apologized to Buddha. Fast forward, we see in life, when we are doing one thing, our attention is on something else. When in office, we think about home or family or friends. When in a temple or church, we think about shopping. When watching a movie, we think about office or other work. And so, we do not completely enjoy what we are doing. The result is that our work at hand gets delayed. And sometimes we miss important targets at work. This is the nature of our distracted mind. Remember, lack of attention is the main reason for failures in life. This story teaches us that attention is the key to success. Whether we are working in our garden or cooking something in the kitchen, whether we are at home with family or attending a meeting in office, whether we are watching a game, reading a book, or practicing meditation in silence, we must be mindful of our attention. Attention brings success, which in turn brings happiness. Thanks for watching. For more ancient stories with wisdom for modern life, subscribe and join this journey.